Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and I'm going to give you a look at the Google Pixel stand today. And first off the bat, this reminds me of an old Nokia wireless charging stand. I think it was the GT910 or something like that, a long time ago. It looks kind of similar, but that's it anyway. It's just a reminder from visually first looking at it. So this is what the package looks like here. So we're going to get into it now and see what it's all about. We'll just remove all the plastic, and slides off like so, which is pretty cool. So we have the stand here itself as it is there. We've got the orange on the bottom, which I think matches my Google Home, which is pretty nice. So I'm just going to peel this off. So here we can see our charging port in here, and we'll just peel this off too. And this is fixed, it doesn't move, just so you know. And our instructions and so on are in here. So what we've got here is our USB-C to USB-C cable, and we've got an American plug, but I have one around here somewhere that will fix that, a typical standard one. So our usual information and booklets here, like so. And I'm not going to need that, so I'm going to pop that back away. And we will need this. So what's this all about? This is basically a wireless charging stand, and it also helps you with activities on your screen. So there is a few bits going on within this unit itself. So continuing on, we have our unit set up here. As you can see, it's just plugged in. We've just put our own plug on, and you will pop your device up here on the Pixel stand, and then as you can see, it will start charging. So when you get this set up here, you'll be then given options to set up your Pixel stand, and it'll give you easy access to your assistant and wake up gently with light-based alarms and get full screen experiences for photos, music and more. So in that setting there, we have our Google set up there already. You can get personalised results on your lock screen, and that's really it. You can put numerous bits of information on the actual screen for display itself. So you have your digital well-being as well built into this, which is a cool app. And this Pixel is set for 7 o'clock in the morning, just by default there. So we have that done. So here on the bottom there, you'll see your assistant there, My Day, and you'll have information pop up on the screen like so. So if you can scroll down through here, you'll see all the options available to you. You have games, messages, weather, news and so on, and you can personalise it to your own. So you can go into your settings on this, and if you go down to digital well-being, for example, it will give you options here at hand, which is handy for setting timers and so on. And this will just give us a quick rundown on what we've had today, for example. So you have wind down options here, and you can manage notifications, do not disturb and flip to shush, and you can show the app icon in the app list, which we will turn on. And this is kind of trying to help you kind of detox to a certain extent of what you're doing and how you're doing it. And it's given us a list there. I have 33 screen unlocks there today and 99 notifications, and that's on a Sunday. So yeah, it gets busier during the week. So that's just a quick look at that. It's handy to have here as well, on the charging stand here too, and you will be able to go into the settings there to give you no visual sound and no sound for notifications, no visuals or sound for notifications. So that's pretty much it there on that app for handiness, on top of the news and so on and other features which are built into the Pixel stand. So you have the alarm, you power up and down your Google Assistant, your digital well-being, and you also have integration with Nest, Hello, video doorbell and so on. So it's quite a functional little piece of equipment. And again, wireless charging is something that's kind of slow to take off here, but we'll be checking that out in more here now with other pieces coming in. We have lots of accessories coming in for this phone and so on, and keep an eye out for them. We'll talk to you soon.